How to fix Instagram not working. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to fix Instagram not working. Now let's get right into the tutorial. There might be several reasons for why your Instagram is not working, so let's go ahead and fix the issue. Firstly, open the Instagram application on your device. Now force quit Instagram along with all the apps running in the background. Force quit the apps by swiping up and exiting the app, or if you have an iPhone with a home button, then double click on the home button and force quit the app. See if the issue is fixed or not. If not, make sure your Instagram app is updated. To check, open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for Instagram. Make sure the app is updated to its latest version for the app to function smoothly. Mine is showing open here, which means the app is up to date. If not, it would show update instead of open. The next fix for this issue is go ahead and launch the settings application on your device. Now tap on General and then on iPhone Storage. Here scroll down and find the Instagram application and tap on it. Now tap on the offload app option and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear the cache in the application. Doing this will also free up storage used by the app and will further fix the bugs in the app, and by now your Instagram should be working just fine. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.